this? This here. Oh, we got Apple charts. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Overstand, the channel with the best vantage point. This is step 1 on your path to successful stock market trading. So the first thing we need to do, one of the first things we need to do is be able to have a way to trade the stock market. And I highly recommend, what I'm going to be using is TDAmeritrade. Yeah, and it's going to be the ThinkorSwim platform through TDAmeritrade. So before we do anything else, the first thing you need to do, you can pause this video. I'm going to have the links down below. Make it real easy. Click the first link. It's going to take you to TDAmeritrade login screen. Create a new account. So that's going to take you at least 10 minutes, I would say, to fill out. It's a very safe, encrypted. Fill that out, and then the next link is going to be the ThinkorSwim platform. You go ahead and click that link, download that, and you'll be caught up with us. We'll be here. But let's go to the first link. You might look something like this. I'll copy this link. So when you get here, go to open new account. And it's going to take you, just start following the steps. Select an account, individual. You're going to be an individual brokerage account. Not sure if I. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Follow the steps. Like I said, take 5 to 10 minutes. But go ahead and do that. You're going to get a user ID, password. All this stuff is completely free. No need for any money. Everything that we're going to be doing for weeks to come. Because before you put any money in, you should understand what you're doing. And that's what we're going to be doing on this channel. Each video is going to be step-by-step understanding from the beginning. Every single little basic step. If you know how to trade already, you're welcome to stay. But this is for the eager trader, the soon-to-be trader, the person that wants to learn how to trade. That's where we're going to go right now. So first thing we're going to do, get this going. Set up your account. After that, I'm going to give you a link here for this ThinkorSwim. And you are going to, let's see, download now. All you got to do is do some scrolling. Full download instructions. Download ThinkorSwim desktop, a fully customizable software-based trading platform. You could also use it on your phone. Amazing platform. You're gonna love it. You'll wonder, why is this free? So good, so good. Whether you use this platform to trade or not, use these charts to understand what you're doing. Look for your entries, your exits. These charts are the best. Okay, so I'll also send the link, put it down there in the description. Boom, do these 2 things, get this downloaded. It doesn't take long, just a second to download. All right. So then after you do that, you'll come into this. This is ThinkorSwim. Right up here. We're gonna go through. We have lots of stuff to go through. Let's keep it with the basics. So when you first get into ThinkorSwim, you're gonna pull up your charts up here in the top tabs: monitor, trade, analyze, scan, market watch, charts. go into charts. This is where you're going to do most of your work and get familiar with charts. So we're here in charts. We have our big chart. If yours looks different than mine, it probably does right now. That's what we're going to do. We're going to set up the charts. That's what this video purely is about, is getting this platform set up so we understand how to identify entries and exits. Okay, first thing we do, this blue bar up top here, blue bar right here, the settings gear. We're gonna click on this settings gear. We have general, price axis, time axis. So the first thing in general, I don't think we're gonna trade anything. Let's just look at checked or unchecked. Checked, checked, checked. Display is check, checked, unchecked, check, unchecked. Under settings, an unchecked and a checked. Layout, check, check. I don't think we changed anything right there. You guys are good. Price access, everything, just leave it the same for now. Check, check under fit studies, fit study markers. Okay, here under time axis, we do want to change our expansion area. Right here, 121 is what I have it. You guys probably have 0 right now. I like 121. That's this area at the end of the chart. It gives me some room, so the candlesticks don't go right up to the edge. It gives me some room. Yeah, I don't feel so claustrophobic when looking at the charts here. Personal preference, the way I like it. So feel free to give yourself as much room as you want. 121 is what I like. Favorite time frames. I have a 1 day 1 minute, 2 day 2 minute, 3 day 3 minute, 5 day 5 minute, 5 day 15 minute, 10 day 30 minute, 20 day 1 hour, 180 day 4 hour, 1 year 1 day, 3 year 1 week. I just added this 15 day 1 minute. I'm just using it for, I was going back quite a few days ago and still wanted the 1 minute chart. But how you add, it's easy. Add time frame. What do you want? 1 day, 2 day, add your minute, whatever you want. You could add it. Or you could just edit one you already have. So here's that. Appearance, fill up, I have checked. You see the candles when we uncheck it compared to when we check it. I like them filled. Same with the red. Like them filled. Personal preference. It's a lot cleaner to me. It's easier on my eyes to look at, but whatever you like, this is how you do it. That's all you need to mess with right here. Equities, options, futures, forex. You don't have to mess with this stuff right now. Don't worry about it. We gotta keep this as simple as possible. We're learning how to trade. 2 plus 2 plus 4. All right. So next thing we're gonna go to, edit studies right next to chart settings. Looks like a little potion vial. Click on it. Now this is where we get our nice looking chart. First thing we're gonna do is type in this search bar on the top left under studies, we're going to type in MOV, AVG, EXP. Oh, it's already there. What are we looking for? MOV, AVG, exponential. Moving average exponential. This is our EMA right here. All you got to do is add. Highlight it, double click it once, add selected. You'll figure it out. The next thing we're going to do is simple moving average. SIMPL EMOV. All right, there it is. Simple moving average. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, this is the one I had. Okay. So, simple moving average. That's all we gotta do. Add selected. Super easy. All right, next thing. RSI. Boom. There it is. The first one for me. RSI. We're gonna add selected. And it should put it down in your lower. Next one. MACD, MACD, MACD. Boom, there it is. Top one for me. MACD, this is our MACD. Add selected. It should be on your lower. Once again, lower. We're gonna apply all this. Apply it. And then press OK. Then you should look like this. If you don't look exactly like this, your RSI or your MACD are in different spots. That's okay. That's just because of the way you have it here, and you can change it. RSI. So you can switch them. However you like it. So, I mean, there's the very basics right now setting up your charts, okay? Really easy. Hold on. We almost forgot. Let's go back into our potions here. So we have our EMA and our SMA. So let's distinguish the two apart from each other. There's a little gear right here, settings gear. Click on it. And the color. You can switch the color to the one you want. Right now, I have this teal color. You can press OK when you have that color. SMA, same thing. Click on the settings. Little setting gear. I have it on green. You can have on whatever color you want. Press OK. And you're good. Apply it. Press OK. And you're good. So the next step is understanding the EMA, SMA, RSI, and MACD. Those are the indicators that we applied to our charts that are going to alert us and tell us when's a good time to enter in a position or when is a good time to exit a position. Either way, get in or get out, that's what we're going by. And that's how simple it is. Those couple things: EMA, SMA, RSI, MACD. Okay, so next time, in the next video I'll make here very soon, we'll learn about EMAs, we'll learn about SMAs, we're going to learn about RSIs, we're going to learn about MACDs, and so on, so on. We're going to start learning how to read these charts. The better we understand these charts, the better we will be successful at trading the market and be able to have a better success rate of not so much predicting the market, but identifying the highest probability. Everyone thinks it's a gamble. It's only a gamble if you don't know what you're doing. When you understand the market, it's not a gamble. You're simply just reading the charts and understanding when a good time to get in is, whether it's doing bad or good. It doesn't matter to someone that understands, or shall I say, overstands the stock market and overstands anything they're doing in life. It's all the same. Just getting a grasp, knowledge of what you're doing, applying that knowledge in a fail-proof way. You have to, it's imperative that you understand what you're doing. And like I like to say, overstand what you're doing. You stick to a system that works and you have a better success rate. Getting a routine, wake up at the same time every single day. Check out your news you like to check out, your favorite stocks of the day you're gonna watch. Stick to your plan. Have a plan, stick to it. All right. Next time we'll go over how to identify the confirmations from the RSI, MACD, EMA, SMA. I hope this helped you out. Give you guys this chart set up, and we'll continue from here next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see, what will help you. This is for the people. Bye.